Give it a little extra.
I'm going to go ahead outside and cut this to keep the dust down.
Okay, we're going to put the fern strip in. And overlap it on both sides.
To attach the drywall, I'm using 1¼ inch coarse thread drywall screws that are made to attach drywall to wood. Once you have the drywall in place, you can tell where the wood is where you need to attach the drywall just by the screws on the existing drywall. I'll leave links down in the description to all kinds of different drywall and texturing videos.